Godspeed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky.
Hello there and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Daphne. Thank you so much for joining me today. We are on the back patio and we are about to do our spring 2024 patio makeover, and it is well overdue. We've been taking our time this season, so I can't complain. I did want to show you the culprit here, which is a carpenter bee who's been gnawing on the patio pergola. So we have to figure out what we can do to get rid of these carpenter bees that have been around since last year. So if you have any suggestions, leave it in the comment section. I would really appreciate your help on that. I'm just giving you an overview of how the patio is looking. Everything is still covered up. It's full of pollen, pine, dirt, boxes, everything. We had all of our pots and plants all up against the house because that's how we overwinter everything. I had moved and put everything towards the center of the patio, and today we're just going to refresh the space. So I just wanted to let you see exactly how everything looks, and then we're going to get to clearing everything off of the patio. So I hope that you guys are here for the motivation. If you are working on a project outside, I hope that you are taking it slow and going each day at a time and not trying to overwhelm yourself, and just enjoy the process of refreshing your spaces. So as we clear all of the furniture off of the patio, I just wanted to look back at this amazing makeover that we did recently. This was a makeover on my side pathway where we stained the pathway, and it came out so beautiful. So I just want to give you this advice. If you don't like the way that something looks, either inside your home or outside, paint and stain do wonders, and it takes little effort. So if you're looking at your walkway and it's looking a little drab, try to stain it and you will be surprised at how beautiful it will come out. Now that video is going to be linked in the description along with a lot of my recent videos, and throughout the video I'm just going to be giving little snippets of recent projects. So I hope that if you haven't already watched those videos that you click on them after this video and just enjoy how I've been making over my space one project at a time. So if you're enjoying this video and you like my vibe, leave me a plant emoji in the comment section. This just lets me know that you enjoy these types of videos, and I will keep on bringing them to you. It also helps out the channel so much. About 3 videos back, I asked for you guys to just leave emojis and introduce yourself in the comments. Well, you guys really showed out in that video. I got close to 200 comments and I was so excited to answer back on every single one of them. And also YouTube took note of that and they pushed that video out to so many more subscribers. So I just wanted to personally thank you guys for helping me out on that video. I really do appreciate each time that you guys spend some time with me and take the time to be able to leave a comment. Now I know that most of you watch on a device that you're not able to leave a comment, but if you're watching on a device that you can, I really appreciate you leaving me a plant emoji down in the comment section. So I wanted to share a project that is going to be coming very soon. We are going to be redoing an unused patio on the side of our home. And this morning we took down some overgrown trees and weeds, and that was one of them that fell down. So the wood that you see on the left hand side of the patio now is some of the wood that we've been chopping up and getting rid of at the organic yard. So I just wanted to mention that to you guys because that is going to be a makeover that's going to be coming soon. As I said, we have been super busy this year, so I just wanted to give you a quick look back at what we did in last week's video, which was refreshing the side bed that is facing the house. It's on the right hand side, and we totally just refreshed the space. We cleaned it, we raked, we cleaned out all of the weeds, and we enjoyed these beautiful plantings that we were able to create in that space. So always make sure when you're doing these projects that you take it in little doses. What I usually do is try to work every day if possible, and I only work max like 30 minutes. So I'll go out and I'll sweep a little spot, or I'll go out and I'll weed a little area, but literally I'm only going out for like 15 to 30 minutes at a time. So I suggest you try that, and you will not be overwhelmed with the amount that you have to do in your backyard or in just your landscape in general.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
So I have figured out how I'm going to be building the screen to cover up the AC unit on this side and the other side on the patio. So that will be coming within the next month, so stay tuned for that project.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
So I was pretty bummed out that my beautiful ceramic pot there broke. I actually had two pots that broke over the winter. One of them was a little makeshift tabletop fire feature, and that split. I knew that was going to happen, but this larger planter, I'm really bummed out about it. It was a 3-piece set that I had got in 2020, and it was I think it was from Wayfair, and it was just absolutely beautiful. It's like a gray bluish blended color. So I am going to have to look for something similar to that. I'm happy that I still have the medium and the smaller size of it. That one was the larger size. So I just took that broken pot and I put it on the side because I do want to recycle the soil that's in it. But I'm pretty disappointed that I lost that planter because it was so pretty. So now we're just going through and we're using a weeder and we're just getting rid of the moss and any little weeds that are here in the cracks on the patio. On this day, I just decided I was just going to take it easy, not overexert myself and pull out a bunch of different tools. So I am just using warm water, dish soap, and a hard deck brush, and we are going to work on these pavers. Now I have to say I have used the pressure washer several times before, and the last time that I used it I believe was in the fall. So these paver stones are not really bad, so I just decided to just take it easy and just, you know, use a little muscle and just clean these paver stones down. And now I'm just rinsing them off with the hose, and then we're going to get to moving to the next little project, which is just wiping down all of the furniture. I also use warm water and dish soap on that as well. And there is so much pollen on everything, so once I'm able to just wipe everything down, it looks absolutely amazing. So we're just moving back the furniture onto the patio, and then we're just going to let it dry off, and we're going to pick back up in the morning. Now, last fall, I told you guys that I was on the hunt for a larger rug. So I found this on Amazon. I'm going to have it linked in the storefront with everything that you see here that is linkable. It's going to be in the description in my storefront. So I absolutely love this rug. It's an 8x10 and it's an outdoor rug. So we're just adding back all of the furniture, and then we're going to go into the before, and then we're going to go into the amazing after. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this makeover. I definitely have. I cannot wait to continue to just add little touches throughout the season. So I just want to thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have an amazing week ahead. And until the next time I see you, have a blessed day. If you're looking for something else to watch, check out this video. It's a makeover of my front steps, and then it leads into my spring 24 spring front porch makeover. Have a blessed day.